Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the YestBuy Cupcake Stand, a stunning 4-tier round acrylic display that transforms any occasion into a visual delight. This unique design allows you to showcase a variety of cakes and cupcakes on each layer, creating an elegant and noble presentation reminiscent of 4 blooming flowers. With its simple installation process, you can have it set up in just 5 minutes, and it's just as easy to disassemble for convenient storage and reuse at future events. Perfect for any celebration, from weddings and birthdays to graduations and Thanksgiving. This versatile stand can also be used as a stylish home display for cosmetics, jewelry, and more. Crafted from food-grade acrylic material, it ensures food safety while offering a sturdy structure and a clear, polished surface that adds modern charm to your festivities. The YestBuy Cupcake Stand is not only a functional piece but also a perfect gift for family and friends, especially for those who appreciate a touch of elegance. If you have any questions or need assistance, YestBuy is committed to providing sincere service and support to ensure your complete satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.